A dangerous weather setup is developing across the United States this Thursday, March 19, as meteorologists warn of severe storms, possible tornadoes, and flash flooding that could impact millions. The latest weather models are signaling a highly unstable atmosphere. So how serious is this threat, and which areas are most at risk? Let's break it all down. A powerful storm system is expected to move across the central United States, fueled by warm, moist air flowing in from the Gulf of Mexico. At the same time, a colder and drier air mass is pushing southward, creating a sharp contrast in temperature and pressure. This collision of air masses is one of the key ingredients for severe weather. According to the latest model analysis, the highest risk zone stretches from parts of Texas through Oklahoma and into Kansas. In these regions, thunderstorms are expected to develop during the afternoon and rapidly intensify. Some of these storms could become supercells, powerful rotating thunderstorms capable of producing large hail, destructive wind gusts, and tornadoes. The tornado risk appears to be the highest in portions of Oklahoma and northern Texas, where wind shear and atmospheric instability are expected to be the strongest. As the system continues moving eastward, storm activity will likely expand into Missouri and Arkansas later in the day and into the evening hours. In these areas, heavy rainfall becomes a major concern, with the potential for flash flooding, especially in low-lying and urban regions. Rainfall rates could be intense at times, and if storms move repeatedly over the same areas, localized flooding could develop quickly. This type of setup is often associated with dangerous driving conditions and reduced visibility. Strong winds are another major hazard with this system. Gusts could exceed 60 miles per hour in some storms, potentially causing damage to trees, power lines, and buildings. Frequent lightning will also make outdoor conditions hazardous throughout the day. Further north, areas such as parts of Illinois may also see storm activity, although the intensity is expected to be somewhat lower compared to the southern plains. Meteorologists emphasize that severe weather can develop rapidly, sometimes with little warning. That's why residents in affected regions are strongly encouraged to stay updated with official alerts and be ready to take action if necessary. Travel conditions may deteriorate quickly during storms, especially during peak commuting hours. Delays at major airports are also possible due to strong winds and thunderstorm activity. Behind this system, cooler and more stable air is expected to move in, bringing an end to the severe weather threat later on. However, until the system fully clears the region, the risk remains elevated. Overall, Thursday, March 19 is shaping up to be an active and potentially dangerous weather day across the United States, with multiple threats, including severe storms, tornadoes, damaging winds, and flash